Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Flodesk form to Squarespace. All right. So first up, let's go ahead over to Flodesk. And here, just go ahead over to your forms. I assume that you already got a form, right? So in here, I'm just going to go ahead and hover my mouse into a form where I wanted to use my Squarespace website. I'm just going to click on 3 dots. Now I'm going to choose embed. Okay. Now do keep in mind, you'll need both header and the inline code. So to copy it all together, just go ahead over to the bottom right, click on advanced option and click on get raw HTML code. Okay. Now click on continue, copy. Now go to your Squarespace website or editor right here. Now just go ahead and add a section, maybe this one, click on it, just add a blank section like so. Then go to the top left, click on add block. Now go ahead and look for code, okay? Not embed, code. Just click on it. Now move this one wherever you want, for example, at the center. Now click on edit. And here, erase this one. Now right click and just hit on paste or just Control V, okay? As you can see, it works, okay? You can just easily maximize it if you want to, like so. But do keep in mind that you need an upgraded version just for you to save it and publish, okay? Also, for this script disabled text be gone, okay? But that's just how you add Flodesk form to your Squarespace website. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.